Alright, so we are at the Nature Center with the Bryant Legacy Line and the Bryant AQS system. And gonna start by filming this one because it's running. It's nice and quiet. Here's the top. I know it has been requested by a lot of people, especially YouTuber Iowa AC Productions, to get this thing running in cooling mode, so luckily I finally did. Thing's very quiet. Now, if you guys do not know, it's from 2008 and it's a 2.5 ton. Nice and cold and sweaty. Yeah, that thing's very quiet. And then here's this Bryant AQS system. And the compressor isn't running on this one. It's blowing out room temperature air, and it's not cold. So yeah, thank you for watching, and it's over now. Yeah, the capacitor on that one just buzzed. It's trying to turn on, I think. But yeah, there's a listen to this one scroll. Right up close. So yeah, it's blowing out very hot air. Thanks for watching, and it's over.